Let me refresh this page. So we are refreshing this website page, and at a glance what I'm saying is the menu text are warped in two lines. So the menu text are in two lines. This is for this kind of screen as like my monitor. The menus are okay for larger screen as like for full HD screen. Let's set the menus in larger screen. So this is the full HD screen, and this screen the menus are okay. You can also set this menu by zoom out this screen. Let's say this is okay for larger screen, but by default and this kind of screens the menus are warped in two lines. Let's say this section or container white. So what this section is using, what I'm saying, this is using a container, and this container have an white. Maybe they are using bootstrap CSS. So bootstrap CSS has this kind of structure. I'm not sure. Maybe they are using bootstrap CSS library. So in this screen they can keep the container white like this. So this will cover the entire screen, and there should not be any text two line. There should not be any text in two lines. So this is looking so nice. Okay, but what I'm saying in this website, let me show you, is a critical issue and an important issue for this. You see, this section is not looking so good, and this is not a very good or professional style here. You can see also the text in here. You see these texts are not visible much more. So they need to change this text color or this background, or they can change the background, or simply they can change this text color to white or something. But the main issue is this section, and you see this is not looking so good. So they need to fix this. This is very easy. Let me show you few things. There are three column here, 1 2 and 3 column is here. So what I'm saying is that they are using bootstrap CSS here. So they can simply do one thing here. Here alien items is centered, that's why this is going to center. So they can keep alien item in flex style. So just you see the text is in top now what they can use is a little bit CSS. Now you see this section is now looking so good and much professional now. Also there is a lot of space I'm seeing here and here. So let's find why there are a lot of space. So they are using much more margin here. So that's why it has a lot of space on there. Margin top, okay, but margin left is much more. They are using this kind of margin for this resolution type of screen. Pending left and pending right. We can use one with one REM, but the margin is so high. So we need to find the margin left. This is here. We can keep 50 pixel. We can keep this kind of margin. So this kind of margin is perfect to cover the entire section nicely. Or they can increase these sections white. Now this is looking nice, but I'm saying there is another issue here. Here is an border, and here also there is another background, and there is another background. You see this text is not much more visible here. Okay, so let's check what is causing this. So what I'm saying here, there is a background image here. They can remove this background image to look nice, but there is no padding in here. They must use some space here in this color. So let's check where is the background color. Here is the background color. So they need to use a padding here, padding top. Let's see how it would look. 15, or they can use 30 pixel or 40 pixel they use. Now it is looking nice, and in bottom we must need to use another padding as this stained bottom. So padding bottom they can use here. Now you see this is looking so nice. Now there is no issue with this section. So they must fix this to look nice and more professional. But here the text color is not so good. I am not sure from where this color is coming. Here color is not working. So let's try to keep important. The important is also not working here. Here is the color is coming for. You see now we can customize these colors. So these are the linked color. So and these are the heading color, and again this section has little bit CSS issue. So when I am entering the mouse in this section, it is changing the heading color. So let's cover this and see from where this color is changing. We need to fix this, and also need to fix from here it is okay. Okay, now this is okay. So this menu link color, we can change this color to white. So they can know that this is a link, or maybe another color or something. So this is looking so good now. So I think they need to fix these issues. And if we go to another pages for the website, let's see another page like this page. So this is looking so good now. Let's see if issues, if there is any, and if all is okay. Let's see, maybe there is so small space here. This section must have a little bit space in top and bottom to look more professional. It's like there is very less space here due to that kind of design. Maybe here you see there is no space in bottom for this section, for this background section. So if we review all of the pages for this website, we may find some other issues need to fix for this website.